Welcome to our presentation on groundbreaking cancer detection technology. We're excited to share our vision and progress with you. Aura Reveal was established around 8 years ago, initially as a collaboration between the Chief of Neurosurgery at the Montreal Neurological Institute and an engineering and physics professor at École Polytechnique. Fred and Kevin joined forces to develop innovative optical tools aimed at improving outcomes in brain tumor surgery. As our story starts with these guys, they were studying an optical effect known as Raman scattering. You know Raman? Not this Raman, discovered by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Raman in the early 20th century. Now, the power of Raman scattering in tissue analysis is when laser light hits tissue. The scattered light contains molecular information, which acts as a fingerprint. To slow that down, think laser light hits tissue, creating scattered light, which equals a fingerprint of a tissue type. Naturally, Fred and Kevin thread. What if we could use this idea of molecular fingerprints to track down a list of disease or cancer? This question served as the catalyst that led to the rebirth of Reveal Surgical and the inception of our flagship product, Sentry. Reveal has made remarkable strides over the years, revolutionizing the field of surgical oncology. Our innovative optical tools and AI-powered solutions have significantly improved the outcomes of brain tumor surgeries, allowing surgeons to identify and remove cancerous tissues with unprecedented precision. In 2024, Exclaro along with Trident Innovation, joined to support and realign Reveal's mission. This strategic realignment was made possible by reuniting with the original creators and inventors, Fred and Kevin, who had faced challenges within the company in 2022. With the founders and scientists back on board, we now have an incredible team and internationally renowned advisors. This includes former heads of science from multinational companies like Medtronic, 3M, Baxter, Merck, and partners like Envision, Synaptive, Intuitive Surgical, and many others. Reveal is poised to make even more significant advancements in saving lives. Imagine if surgeons could see the molecular properties of tissue and cancerous cells in real time during procedures. At Reveal, our vision is to revolutionize surgical oncology by providing surgeons with real-time molecular insights during operations. By integrating advanced AI and optical technologies, we aim to make cancer surgeries more precise, effective, and less invasive, ultimately improving patient outcomes and saving lives. With current imaging technology, surgical oncology is imprecise, often resulting in left-behind cancer, incomplete resections, and unwanted side effects. There is a critical need for real-time diagnostics tools that can provide surgeons with the ability to confidently identify cancerous tissue in vivo. For example, the indistinguishability of cancerous tissue from healthy tissue complicates the surgical process, as removing too much can damage critical brain functions. Brain tumor surgery presents a unique challenge because, unlike many other tumors, brain tumors do not form a single solid mass. Instead, they diffusely invade the surrounding healthy brain tissue, making it difficult for surgeons to remove all cancerous cells. With current imaging technology, surgical oncology is imprecise, often resulting in left-behind cancer, incomplete resections, and unwanted side effects. There is a critical need for real-time diagnostics tools that can provide surgeons with the ability to confidently identify cancerous tissue in vivo. After extensive research, including 118 scientific publications, 77 science articles, and over 40 conference papers, we have gathered 20,000 measurements and data on 320 patients. Our biobank and partnerships with top hospitals like Montreal, CHUM, McGill, St. Justine, Mount Sinai, and Vienna have been vital. We introduced Sentry, the first Raman device with AI for real-time detection in surgery. Our brain and breast pilot data shows Sentry demonstrating accuracy of 91 to 97% across different tumor types, significantly more sensitive to cancer than fluorescent imaging and MRI. Our clinical prototype is authorized for human testing in Canada, South Korea, Austria, and the US. The development of brain and others TISIS systems continues with the aim of extending this technology to other cancers. Our next steps include pivotal studies, FDA submissions, and global market expansion. Our device can integrate these biomarkers and, within a second, determine whether cancer is present thanks to the combination of all these technologies and our algorithm. Soon, we will be able to observe many other reactions as we measure reactions, not just the types of molecules. We have made significant improvements to the device and developed our own patented probes and scanner. Our Sentry system offers in vivo, real-time, non-destructive Raman spectroscopy data acquisition without drugs. You know, the biggest breakthrough of our invention is not the device itself. The AI tools play a crucial role in this advancement by leveraging the vast amount of data collected in the field. As AI models progress, they enhance diagnostic accuracy, surgical procedures, and treatment plans, making the entire process more data-driven. The integration of AI with Raman technology creates a predictive and powerful diagnostic tool, eliminating human error and risk factors, as humans do not have molecular vision. We have also created a new bronchoscopic probe that reaches the 5th-generation bronchi in living patients. Our measurements show strong correlation between ex vivo and in vivo tests. Also, the technology behind our AI, Aura, works in surgery and biofluids, detecting diseases and patient conditions in real time in saliva, blood, and urine. But that's another story. We must remember that our primary goal is the patient. Behind every illness, there is a family. It's essential to focus on both the user and the patient in AI development, ensuring that these tools help overcome existing biases and lead to more precise, data-driven medical practices. Imagine that 25 to 20% of the 430,000 women in the USA require more than one procedure to remove the cancer, which incurs enormous costs and, more importantly, poses a risk of aggravation due to time. Our technology will be the first capable of real-time visualization during surgery, allowing surgeons to remove the minimum of healthy tissue and completely remove the cancer in one time. This means we could potentially save 130,000 women each year just in North America. We have just confirmed in December 2023 that the biomarkers responsible for our technology's effectiveness in brain and breast cancer are also relevant to other types of cancer. We are continually working to expand our technology's applications to revolutionize cancer treatment across the board. We have registered over 10 patents under the title System and Method for Real-Time Cancer Detection, obtained 2 licenses, and an application for biofluids. Additionally, we have sold a significant number of devices, proving the impact and necessity of our technology in the medical field. Our technology is currently used by industry leaders like Medtronic, and we have successfully sold our devices in Canada, Austria, South Korea, and the US. We are also being utilized in over 12 hospitals and research centers globally. Reveal Surgical will soon become indispensable and standard of care, enabling hundreds of surgeons worldwide to focus on saving lives. Reveal and Aura are not just devices for detecting cancer, but rather enormous data algorithms that will allow science to understand certain reactions in our bodies. Imagine that we have managed to take a real-time chemical photo of your body and can detect all molecular level changes. The more our AI gathers data, the more possibilities we will discover. Our FDA regulatory path includes a breakthrough device designation for Sentry for brain tumors and breast, with a pivotal trial in 5 sites across the US, EU, and Canada. We are currently raising funds to support pivotal trials and FDA submissions. Our strategic futures, partners or clients with industry leaders like Medtronic, Intuitive, and Synaptive, will help us scale and integrate our technology into surgical workflows worldwide. In conclusion, a remarkable news just came out on June 8, 2024. Our latest publications in Nature and the Journal of Biomedical Optics confirm the groundbreaking potential of our technology. These studies highlight our advancements in real-time molecular imaging and its effectiveness in both brain and breast cancer treatments. Many more publications are forthcoming as we continue to innovate. Our recent study published in Nature demonstrates that the same biomarkers used in our brain cancer technology are also applicable to breast cancer. The specificity and sensitivity are close to 98%, showing great promise for improving surgical outcomes in breast cancer treatment. Light is a source that has never been fully exploited, and with Reveal, we are the first and only ones bringing it into surgery so that surgeons can see for the first time. With Reveal, they will see the invisible for the first time. And then there was light. Thanks for watching.